Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to reset your canvas rotation to 0 degrees in Krita. The simplest way to reset rotation to 0 is to press the 5 key on your keyboard. This sets the canvas rotation back to its default upright position instantly. If you prefer using the menus, you can also go to View, Zoom, Rotate, and Mirror, then Reset Canvas Rotation. This does the same thing as hitting the reset shortcut. Another quick method is if you use the pop-up navigation palette, which can be brought up by right-clicking on the canvas. Click the little empty circle at the top of the rotation ring. That returns the rotation back to 0 degrees. Keep in mind these reset methods affect the view only, not the actual image pixels or transform on your layer content. And that's how you set the rotation to 0 in Krita. Thanks for watching.